Good day, everyone. Have you ever chat with someone from another country or bought something online from abroad and watched videos created by people from different parts of the world? If yes, then you have already experienced globalization. Globalization is the process where countries and people around the world become more connected through business, technology, culture, and communication. In this video, I will explain the relationship between communication and globalization, the key drivers of globalization, the importance of intercultural communication, and how all of these apply in real life, especially in business. Relationship between communication and globalization. Let's start with the relationship. Globalization and communication are closely connected. In fact, globalization would not exist without communication. Communication is what allows people from different countries to share ideas, do business, build relationship. For example, when companies expand internationally, they need communication to coordinate with employees, partners, and customers from different parts of the world. Also, when people migrate to other countries, communications help them adapt and connect with others. So in example terms, globalization creates connections and communication makes those connections possible and meaningful. Without communication, there would be confusion, misunderstanding, and failed interactions. Drivers of globalization. Now let's move on the drivers of globalization. These are the main factors that make globalization happen. First is technology. Technology plays a huge role in globalization. Because of the internet, smartphones, and social media, communication has become faster and easier. Today, we can send a message instantly, join online meetings, share information worldwide. This makes global interaction possible in real time. Second is the economy. Business are no longer limited to one country. Many companies now operate globally. For example, a small business in the Philippines can sell products online to customers in another countries. Because of this, communication is very important to connect with international clients and partners. Third is migration. People move to different countries for work, education, and and or better opportunities. Because of migration, people from different cultures interact more often. This makes communication even more important in daily life. Intercultural communication and awareness. Now let's talk about intercultural communication. Intercultural communication means communicating effectively with people from different cultures. This is important because not everyone communicates the same way. People may have different languages, beliefs, value, communication style. For example, in some cultures, being direct is normal, but in another culture, being too direct may seem rude. This is why intercultural awareness is important. Intercultural awareness means respecting cultures' difference, being open-minded, adjusting how we communicate depending on the situation. When we understand other cultures, we avoid misunderstandings and build better relationships. Application to business or entrepreneurships. Now let's connect this to real life, especially in business and entrepreneurship. In today's global market, business communicate with customers from different countries because of globalization. Business use social media to reach global audience. They adjust their messages depending on culture. They communicate with international partners. For example, a company might change its advertisement depending on the country to match the culture and preference of the people. Good communication helps businesses build trust, attract customers, avoid misunderstanding, become more successful globally. So, communication is not just important, it is a key factor in business success. Here's a simple real-life example. Many small businesses today sell products through online platforms and social media. If they communicate clearly and understand their customers' culture, they are more likely to succeed. So without communications, people cannot understand each other, businesses cannot expand globally, and globalization would not function properly. That's why developing strong communication skill and intercultural awareness is very important, especially for us as a student and future professionals. And that's all for today.